It's your boy Dog, man. Today, y'all, ain't gonna lie, we about to do a cool little quick video. You know what I'm saying? Vibe out and shit. Today, y'all, we finna change up the Brembo colors, man. We finna get rid of this yellow Brembos, man. They all scuffed and shit like that, bro. Y'all see all the scuff. That shit is nasty, bro. So we finna repaint these, man. Y'all comment below. I ain't gonna lie. Are we gonna keep the yellow or are we gonna do a different color, bro? Comment right now what color y'all think I should do, or what color y'all think I'm about to do, you feel me? Before we get into it, make sure y'all hit that, you know what I'm saying, like button, hit that sub button, and join the family, bro. Simple as that. And make sure y'all turn the notifications on, you feel me? Because it's pretty get crazy, no cap. Anyway, man, we at my boy Trey crib right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go follow my boy on IG and shit, you know what I'm saying? He got that shaker scat. You know what I'm saying? We got that 300 on the scatty, and then we got the motherfucking striker. I think SRT AJ shit, man. Nigga shit look like a striker. AJ, when you gonna fix this, bro?
Next year?
Next year is fucking crazy, bro. God damn. I like scat packs.
Wait. Are you using a camera today?
Yeah.
I don't never see you use a camera.
Because if I'm driving, I don't use a camera. But if I'm just like...
In Atlanta, you didn't use a camera, bud.
I was driving.
Anyways, YouTube, it's your boy SRT AJ, back with another video, back with another banger. As y'all can tell...
Shut the fuck up. Damn, bro. Talk too fucking much, bro.
You wanna bang?
What do you mean by that? Oh.
Like, bang energy drink, bro. Like, not bang.
Bang energy drink is crazy.
Like, do you wanna bang, bro?
I'm a monster now. I'm talking about the energy drink. Energy drink, man.
You a monster type of guy.
So I get that nigga, man. That's your man's, bro.
What are you on, man?
Get your man's, bro. Alright, so what we doing?
Every comment, make a video.
So we finna prime this.
Alright.
When you spray it, like spray down, spray to the side, like boom. Just make sure you don't spray your car.
For the rain on
Like you can get close. Like you see how close he is?
Yeah.
Don't get too close. That's how you know you're a little close.
YouTube, he don't know what the fuck he doing.
I don't.
Good.
We gonna learn.
Make sure you don't spray your car, bro.
That's to learn on your own car. I mean,
Bullshit.
He's breathing all that shit in.
So like,
I'm trying to record this real quick. Cause I'm trying to record and do this shit at the same time.
you got it?
Yeah.
So like boom. I'm gonna hit that bitch straight up and down. Like back up my hand too. Cause like you see all this yellow stuff.
Okay. That big glossy
Like you
though.
see under, like go up too.
Do this shit, Trey. I'll fuck it up.
Nah, you ain't.
Cause you said don't let it be glossy. That bit look
I'm
glossy.
saying you good. It's gonna dry. I'm just saying the further you away from it, the quicker it's gonna dry.
I knew that.
Like you see how this dry already?
Yeah.
And it dry
Oh,
already?
okay.
Just like the further you away from that bitch.
Gotcha. Okay.
You get what I'm saying? That's why I was saying like this right here. This supposed to cover up that Brembo.
So we finna just prime all full, and then we gotta go over with that red paint, and then we gonna go over that clear coat. And then we probably gonna do the badge. We gonna probably put the badge on tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna show y'all what color paint, you know what I'm saying, we got until it's fully on there. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. Every time I do something to my car, like it rains every
Every time.
single. When I wrap my hood, it rained.
You did your swap, didn't it?
When
diff swap, didn't it?
When I did my diff, it rained. When I did my brakes, it started raining. No, cap. That's the only time it didn't rain. So the more coats, the more bright it's gonna be?
Yeah. Like the more it's gonna pop.
All right, man. So we finna throw on this color, man. This the color we doing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Cool little gloss red, bro. All right, so that's that first layer, man.
Tight shit, my boy
That's
got
all right.
it.
That's first layer, bro. Like it just got on this. Tough. So y'all let me know. Y'all fucking with the red already? This first layer, y'all. This ain't gonna look like this. It's gonna look a little bit. We'll get it at least 6 layers in. Had that bitch looking bright, no bull. I ain't spray right.
Cause I was gonna do the
Cause look, you still see gray,
Oh,
baby.
you know what?
Camera, bro? No red dark.
I want my red brighter.
That red brighter than your red.
I want like that.
Yeah, this is a little. What, did you use gloss red?
No, I had.
He had a whole different brand, bro.
Oh, yeah.
He had a whole different brand. Your brand is brighter.
Bro, it's up to you. It's your.
Yeah, that's how I want it lighter.
Yeah,
No
do
bullshit.
Like another coat, and you should be
Bro,
great.
I did like 3. Bro, just do 3 coats.
3 coats.
Yeah, do another coat, or maybe 2 more.
So
Yeah, that's cool.
So
to me.
2 more.
And so we let that bit dry a little bit. Let's see if it's dry for the second layer. Yeah, it's dry. We waited about like 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to do the second coat of the bit. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy, bro. You leaving us, bro.
He did? Yeah. Alright, bro.
All right, bro, be easy, bro.
Alright.
This near, I might just need 2 for real.
That's 3.
Bro,
No, this is we did primer first one.
Do 3.
Do 3.
Just do 3, bro. Just to
Just to make sure type shit.
Sexy red and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hellcats, SRTs, nigga, couple.
This is a bad bitch.
Wait, what?
He a bad bitch. He a
Now that's
bad
fucking
bitch. Don't
crazy.
cry.
Now that's crazy. There you go. All right, y'all. So we finna go with the third coat. You know what I'm saying? Last coat right here, red. And let that bitch dry. And it's fucking bag though, bro.
I know, bro.
God damn.
That's really annoying. Like, that's why people use it in the shop, bro.
I thought you just taped it.
I did. That bit flying still.
One day later.
Today is the next day. I already know. Every time I do something to my car, bro, we never get it done in the first day. So we back for the second day, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got all the Brembos painted red. We putting the Brembo stickers on them now. You know what I'm saying? We got one more rim to do. Got this. You know what I'm saying? Passenger Brembo. Y'all see I ain't got no Brembo sticker on there yet. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when it's all done and shit like that, but we got one more wheel and we out, man. How hard this shit is to do, Trey?
Now she'll just shoot you.
Hard, man.
Just time consuming. It just take time, man. Like everything, for real. Oh my God, is that SRT AJ?
Hi.
Can I get your autograph, Ronnie?
How your gun sound?
Gra-ta-ta-ta.
You wanna hear mine?
How is it?
Pew pew pew. Get up. Get up.
I knew it was fake. I knew it. I knew it.
You going on your vlog?
Yeah, man.
Hey y'all, check it out, man. Y'all know me, SRT AJ. Y'all know the car that I have. Guess what, y'all?
Scat pack.
Hey, this is exclusive. I just bought another car, y'all. We just bought another Scat Pack shaker.
Damn.
Go tune in on my video. I'm gonna drop the video next week.
Hold up.
I bought a Scat Pack, but y'all here first. Y'all know I bought it, man. I just bought a shaker.
Shaker. Shake that motherfucker.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
No Diddy, bro. I'm talking about the car, cuz. The car. Shake the... Ride that bitch. Shake that. Ride that motherfucker. No Diddy.
Some Diddy.
Shake that.
You said some Diddy. It's crazy.
I said no Diddy,
You said
bro.
some
I'm talking about shake the engine.
Y'all wanna see my car? Turn it on, twin.
Get right, man.
Show them that.
Hard. Chrome.
Like Lamborghini.
Oh, shit.
Like a Lamborghini.
That's hard.
Yo.
That's hard. That's hard.
It don't turn on, y'all. Guess what we got? Kill Switch. Yeah. Tune in to my channel, man. Rev that motherfucker. It say shaker. It say shaker on that. Oh, they ain't damn, twin. It's all good. Rev that motherfucker. Let me hear it real quick. We just got a straight pipe. Yeah, y'all. We just straight pipe them motherfuckers.
That little shaker, bro.
Stay tuned, man. Cause it's a shaker. We ain't had your bitch in here shaking.
Shaking dick.
Huh? What?
They gonna shake dick.
What are you shaking ass, bro? What are you talking about? What?
No, they gonna shake my dick and my...
You didn't say that. You over with.
That's getting cut out. Yeah, don't get too close to it, you know what I'm saying? Just cool up.
God. Give me 200 rolls this real.
Oh, that shit getting on my road is a little bit G. Hold on.
200 rolls this. It ain't real. It ain't. I told you it ain't real.
So damn, we just do a, you know what I'm saying, cool little light layer to clear coat. And now, shit, we just let that thing dry, then we gonna put one more layer and we done, man. But ain't gonna lie, on the rate of difficulty, bro, this shit was probably like a 6 out of 10, no, a 5 out of 10. It really wasn't difficult, it's just time consuming, bro. But we got the job done, man. I like this way better than yellow, y'all. Cause the red matched the red eye. I don't know if y'all see that, matched the red eye and shit. Shit clean. Damn, everybody here got red calipers. Nigga, AJ got the red calipers.
What you about to say?
My nigga Trey got the red calipers.
Let's redo that one.
Spray this him out, bro. Breath fine. Need a clear coat.
I got you in my video, bro. Over with.
Hey.
When I get you in my videos, bro, you will be a meme that's gonna go viral.
Chill.
You're over with.
Chill. All right, now I about to put that second coat on. That's not hitting it.
Hey, you was so serious.
That big glistening.
He said, hey. Hey, I almost believe
That bit wet. Motherfucker look nice and wet. What we doing? What I'm doing?
Throw that motherfucker this way.
Got him now.
Damn.
Got him now.
Oh,
He didn't let go.
crazy ass. Wait.
Open the hood.
Look at him though.
Hey, my boy Rick good in the hood, twin.
Hey, Rick like that for real. All right, y'all, we done completed, you know what I'm saying, painting the calipers. Let me show y'all the finished product real quick. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that cool little red, man? We got the red with the black, you know what I'm saying, Brembo. I wanted the white letters from the Brembo, but they didn't have it on Amazon. They only had the black ones. So we just rocking with the black ones. You know what I'm saying? Nice and glossy. But we went with the red, man, as y'all already know, bro. And it looked good, bro. Everything turned out good, you know what I'm saying? I low-key rock with the red a little bit because the red matches, you know what I'm saying, the tail lights, and then, you know what I'm saying, the red eye on the dog. And then I'm going to put my YouTube logo, my YouTube at name back on my window. And y'all remember, if y'all watch my old videos, that was red. So basically, I got like little bits of red all around the car. And with white and black, bro. You can't go wrong with it, bro. Y'all let me know in the comments what else I can do. I'm not gonna add no wicker bill. Wicker bills look nasty on the Chrysler, in my opinion. That's it for the video, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing y'all me painting my calipers, bro. It's really not a hard process to do. Y'all seen what we did. Oh, y'all can look it up on YouTube, how to do it, all that, bro. But shoot, I'm out, man. Make sure y'all drop a like. Make sure y'all drop a comment, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget to hit that sub button and turn your notifications on. You feel me? Simple as that, man. Make sure y'all join the family. Hey, I'm about to go grab some food. I'm about to put the car back in the garage, and I'm out this thing, bro. Simple as that, man.